That we found your best lip shade, I'm going to show you how to do your lip color. And it's not just painting one color all over your lips. This is going to help your lips look younger, fuller, not crusty and dusty. That's how I teach you to approach your makeup from a standpoint of don't completely cover it all with one color foundation. I 100% agree with that same method for your lips. I need a couple things. One, your best lip color. So I have this one. Some tools. Now this one is really great if you do want to do that paint one color look. A multitasker brush is great. I'm going to be using the Etch brush today. I love this for lining my lips. So some lip liner colors, a topper, which again, everyone needs. This lipstick is unreal and it looks good on everyone, and you can layer it over your favorite lipstick and it looks phenomenal. You're going to be stunned. Okay. It's diamonds. It's so good. Everyone needs it. Grab it immediately. What I'm going to do on my lips is actually not on my lips. I'm going to look around my lips. As we age, we can lose some volume in our lips. And what happens is they can get this like lightness around the mouth that makes the lips look like they're protruding out. A telltale sign of aging. What I do to combat this is a little bit of bronzer, a little fluffy brush. I am bronzing a little bit around my mouth. You can see these areas that just look light. See right here? Adding a little dark, younger looking lips. Taking Velvet, previously known as NV+1. I can't even believe that they brought this color back. I'm so excited. It works well on everyone. I am a light, bright, warm person. I know this goes against what you're thinking, but as a lip liner, it works really well if you use it correctly. So I'm going to take the Etch brush and a little bit of Velvet. Now, as we age, we lose this volume in our lips. And you can see how the color of my lips doesn't go all the way out to the corner anymore. So what I'm doing is I'm like extending this line just a little bit. Look at the difference here in these sides. Just giving us that line back. And then I use this on the top really lightly. I'm not going like too dark with this. And then on the bottom, I just really overline my lips too. Now, the trick on the bottom, and I don't have as much color loss like on the bottom, but I don't go all the way to the corner on the bottom. I just do right here, but I go all the way to the corner on the top, okay? The color on the other side of the Etch brush, and I'm actually looking at my lips and I'm seeing where they need color. So I need a little bit of color here and here, and then just the slightest bit on the top. Again, I'm not like completely painting one color, just like on the edges here. So just like that, and then topping with this lipstick. Look at the sparkle, the glow. And one more thing that you can do too is add, I feel like I just need, I'm taking Auburn, previously NR, the best bronzer color ever, also great lip liner, but I'm going to take a little bit of this. And I just draw these two lines up this way. And they're almost like little like curving lines. But you see how that gives me like a little upturn right there? And this is one of my favorite lip combos ever. I hope that this guide was helpful for you. If you need a full color analysis, I'm here. I do those virtually and in person. And if you found your best lip color because of this at-home test, be sure to share on your social media and tag me.